So if you're going to underline and everything, you should create a key, and the key should tell me what each thing means. So underline might be an important fact. Double underline might be the question. And something crossed out might be not important. That tells me what you were doing. So as I go through the question, I'm going to say, okay, I need to conduct an experiment by tossing a coin 4 times. Go left on the number line if I toss heads, right if I toss tails, and I'm interested in the final position. I have to do it 20 times. What is P6? There's the question. And it tells me represent and justify my final answer on a number line from 0 to 1. That's part of the question. And I need the probability of ending up on P6. So all this other stuff is probably not important. Okay. Although I think it's probably important that I create a chart. Oops. So I'm going to circle that. Instead of taking the time to do the experiment, I'm just going to draw myself the chart. And I'm going to make up my results. So I'm going to have try on one side and land, or where I landed, on the other side. So I should have a chart that has 20 different lines on it. Okay, and then I'm going to have a whole bunch of numbers. Now, through here will be all of my results. So I might have landed on 7, 9, 5, 5, 5, 7, 9, 5, 9, 7, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 11, 5, 11, 7. Okay, so there's all of my results. From this, I'm going to start making some statements. So I'm going to look at what I actually landed on, and I'm going to try and figure out the probability of landing on a 6. So I'm going to type some stuff. From my apparently I lost the screen. From my experiments, the probability of landing on 6 is 0 out of 20. But then I want to explain how I know that. I know this because I did the experiment 20 times and I never got a 6. From that, I want to try and justify why. So I'm going to put in there what I did actually get. I got lots of 5, 7, 9, 11. I never got any even numbers or 6 in particular. Then I'm going to investigate. I'm going to investigate the idea of the theoretical probability. Theoretical probability is the favorable outcomes over the number of possible outcomes. This is where I have to do a lot of investigating and exploring, because I need to figure out what is actually possible. I then need to explain the difference between theoretical and experimental probability, as well as what possible outcomes there are and why.